hello everyone, welcome to the session. Today we'll discuss polynomials and factorization of exercise 2.4. The first question is on the board. Determine which of polynomial as x plus 1 as a factor. Let's see the solution. The given polynomial is x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. X plus 1 is a factor or not? So x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. This value you substitute given in the given polynomial. So minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1. So here minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Plus into minus minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 plus 1. Finally minus 1 addition, that is minus 2, plus 1 is plus 2, equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is factor of given polynomial x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Let's see the next question. Solution. The given polynomial is x cube minus x square minus of 3 minus square root of 3 into x plus square root of 3. Now is x plus 1 is a factor. So x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. Now substitute this value in the given polynomial, that is minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 1 whole square minus of 3 minus square root of 3 into minus 1 plus square root of 3. Now minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Plus into minus minus 1. Here minus into minus is becomes plus. So 3 plus into minus minus square root of 3 plus root 3. Now here minus 1 is minus 2 plus 3 minus square root of root 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 get cancelled. 3 minus 2 is 1. Hence it does not equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor of given polynomial. What is that? X cube minus x square minus of 3 minus root 3 into x plus root 3. Let's solve another question, that is determine whether g of x is a factor of f of x. The given question is f of x equals to 5x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 1. Let's see the solution. Now g of x equal to x plus 1, so that x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So that f of minus 1 equals to, you have to substitute minus 1 in the place of x. So 5 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 minus 1. Now f of minus 1 equals to minus 1 cube is nothing but minus 1. So that 5 into minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square becomes plus 1, that is 1. Minus into minus plus 5 minus 1. Now f of minus 1 equal to 5 ones minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1. If you observe carefully here, minus 5 plus 5 and plus 1 minus 1. Therefore, f of minus 1 equal to 0. Hence, g of x is factor of f of x. Now we'll solve next question, that is f of x equal to 3x cube plus x square minus 20x plus 12 and g of x equal to 3x minus 2. Let's see the solution. The given g of x is equal to 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 equals to 0, 3x equals to 2, x equal to 2 by 3. Now this value of x you substitute in the given f of x polynomial. Therefore, f of x means 2 by 3 equals to 3 into 2 by 3 whole cube plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 20 into 2 by 3 plus 12. Now f of 2 by 3 equals to 3. 2 cube is 8 by 3 cube is 27 plus 2 by 3 whole square is nothing but 4 by 9 minus 20 into 2 by 3 plus 12. Next step. Now see here f of 2 by 3 equals to here 3 nines. So 8 by 9. Next plus 4 by 9. Next 22 are 40. So minus 40 by 3 plus 12. F of 2 by 3 equals to, see here denominators are 9, 9. So you can add the numerators, that is 8 plus 4 is 12 minus 40 by 3 plus 12. F of 2 by 3 equal to, see here 3 3s, 3 4s. So here 4 by 3 minus 40 by 3 plus 12. Now f of 2 by 3 equals to, denominators are same, again you have to subtract the numerators, that is 4 minus 40 by 3 plus 12. Next step, f of 2 by 3 is equal to 4 minus 40 is minus 36 by 3 plus 12. 3 ones, 3 ones, 2's. So f of 2 by 3 is equal to minus 12 plus 12. Get cancelled, equal to 0. Therefore, g of x is factor of f of x. Now we will solve one more problem to enhance your skills, that is f of x equal to 4x cube plus 20x square plus 33x plus 18, and g of x equals to 2x plus 3. Let's see the solution. The given g of x is equal to 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. 2x equals to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 by 2. Now this x value you substitute in the polynomial. So f of minus 3 by 2 is equal to 4 into minus 3 by 2 whole cube plus 20 into minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 33 into minus 3 by 2 plus 18. Now f of minus 3 by 2 is equals to 4 into, here minus 3 by 2 whole cube means 3 minus 27 by 8 plus 20 into minus 3 by 2 whole square, that is, so 9 by 4 minus 33 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 99 by 2 plus 18. Next step, f of minus 3 by 2 is equal to 4 into minus 27 by 8 plus 20 into 9 by 4 minus 99 by 2 plus 18. Now see here, 4 ones, 4 twos we can cancel. 4 ones, 4 fives we can cancel. The rest is f of minus 3 by 2 equal to minus 27 by 2 plus 9 fives are 45 by 1 minus 99 by 2 plus 18. Now see here, f of minus 3 by 2 is equal to, here minus 27 by 2 minus 99 by 2 plus 45 plus 18. I am writing fractions together. Now f of minus 3 by 2 is equal to, denominators are same, then you can add the numerators, that is minus 27 minus 99 by 2 plus 45 plus 18. f of minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 27 minus 99 is minus 126 by 2 plus 45 plus 18 is 63. Now 2 ones, 2, 6, 2 3s. So f of minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 63 plus 63. Get cancel, our answer is 0. Hence g of x is a factor of f of x.